everybody, it's Randy from Cupcake Organic Farms right here, Texas City, doing everything I can to make gardening great again. Today, my beautiful wife and I, we went to the big store. Now, I've covered up the name because it's not important, but this tomato plant was literally $6. One freaking tomato plant, $6. I had the exact same one that I grew in my greenhouse, and I want to say they're about the same age. I guess mine's just taller. I want to do something for everybody in our area. I'm going to start popping seeds. No more $6 stuff. How about like $2.50? But plastic, no good for the earth, obviously. If you don't recycle it, it just ends up in the landfill. I grow everything in these paper cups. Why? Because this is organic. Stick the whole thing right down in the dirt. This breaks down, gives great nutrition for the soil. Unlike the plastic, you can't leave it in the plastic cup. It'll destroy it. Oh, I love it. So what do you think? Should I do that? I think I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, my. But that's all I wanted to tell you is, why is this so stinking expensive now? My Lord. I got to make gardening great again, but we got to keep it affordable, everybody. Yeah. Keep that in mind.